I love you, Antara. Get well soon. You have to lead a long life with me.
This is not done, brother. This is not done. Dad! Dad!
I love you, Antara. You have a lot of life to live with me.
I want to talk to Mom alone. Please.